Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the daily limit problem step by step on Android and iPhone. First open your Facebook. See, this is the problem. You have reached your daily limit. First go to your phone settings, scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Facebook. Now tap on the Facebook. Now click on the force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Allow all permission. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and search for Facebook and check updated Facebook. My Facebook app already updated. And now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and open your Facebook and now click on the manage option and again click on the three dot line option. Scroll down. Now click on the setting and privacy and click on the time management and scroll down. Now click on the daily limit and now click on the off and save. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.